Hey everyone, welcome back. If you are a lover of different experiences, stay. I am going to tell you something very different. San Francisco is known for its iconic landmarks and diverse culture. And amidst its urban charm lies an event that captures the city's spirit like no other. Today, we're exploring the Folsom Street Fair, a festival that's a blend of color, music, and sheer joy. Whether you're a regular attendee or a curious first-timer, this guide will give you a glimpse into its magic. Every event has a story, and the Folsom Street Fair is no exception. Its roots trace back to the 1980s. Born from the heart of the city's vibrant LGBTQ+ community, it started as a small local gathering. Over the years, it transformed. Today, it's not just a fair, it's a powerful statement, a movement. It stands as a testament to San Francisco's spirit, celebrating the LGBTQ+ community, their allies, and the city's rich history. When you step into the Folsom Street Fair, expect a sensory overload in the best way possible. The energy is palpable, and the atmosphere is electric. Spanning several blocks, this fair transforms the streets into a vibrant playground for all to explore and enjoy. From unique costumes to incredible performances, there's something for everyone. Whether you're a fan of avant-garde fashion or live street performances, you're in for a treat. Beyond the costumes, immerse yourself in the art installations and interactive exhibits that dot the fairgrounds. And don't forget to grab some memorabilia. The stalls here offer some of the most unique finds. From handcrafted jewelry to bespoke leather goods, there's a treasure waiting for every visitor. Engage with the vendors, learn their stories, and take home a piece of the Folsom Street Fair with you. At its core, this fair is about freedom, acceptance, and community. It's a place where everyone is encouraged to be their authentic selves. Friendships are forged, and memories are made as people from all walks of life come together to celebrate. Look around, and you'll see smiles, laughter, and a sense of belonging that's hard to find elsewhere. The joy is infectious, and the positivity radiates throughout. Connections are made, both old and new. It's a reminder that at the heart of it all, we're all seeking acceptance and a place to belong. Various community groups come together, showcasing the strength and unity of the diverse crowd. It's a testament to the power of love, acceptance, and understanding. From the moment you step in, you'll notice a sea of diverse outfits. The Folsom Street Fair is a canvas for self-expression. Leather dominates the scene, symbolizing the fair's roots, but you'll also spot feathers, lace, and even some avant-garde pieces. Many attendees pour their heart into crafting their own outfits, making each look a unique piece of art. In this space of freedom, boundaries are still crucial. The fair champions the ethos of mutual respect. Several booths and workshops emphasize the importance of consent, ensuring everyone's comfort and safety. Every corner of the fair resonates with music. Multiple stages host a variety of artists throughout the day. Live bands bring an electric energy, playing everything from classic hits to indie gems. Then there are the DJs, transforming the streets into pulsating dance floors with their mixes. Beyond the stages, street performers and impromptu dances add to the fair's spontaneous charm. Genres blend seamlessly here. Whether you love jazz, techno, or indie rock, the fair's eclectic mix has you covered. The aroma of delicious food wafts through the air, leading you to a plethora of food stalls. San Francisco's diverse culinary scene shines here. From local delicacies to international favorites, there's a dish for every palate. Vegan? Gluten-free? Fear not! The fair prides itself on its inclusive food options, ensuring everyone gets a taste. Thirsty? Bars and pop-up drink stalls dot the landscape, offering everything from craft beers to signature cocktails. Here, a drink is more than just a beverage. It's a moment shared, a toast to freedom, and a sip of San Francisco's vibrant spirit. Planning to visit? Here are some quick tips. Stay hydrated, wear sunscreen, and keep a map handy. The sun can be quite intense, and with all the excitement, it's easy to forget to drink water. Comfortable shoes are a must. You'll be on your feet a lot, exploring every nook and cranny. A small backpack can also be handy to keep your essentials. Check out the event schedule in advance. With so many performances and activities, planning ahead ensures you catch the highlights. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on any of the action. Keep an eye out for charging stations and Wi-Fi spots. And if you need a break, there are several rest areas to catch your breath. The Folsom Street Fair is more than just an event. It's an experience, a memory, and a celebration of life. The energy, the diversity, and the spirit of San Francisco come alive in this unique gathering. Beyond the music and dance, there are art installations, workshops, and community gatherings. Every corner has a story, every face a tale to tell. Thanks for joining me on this journey. If you've been to the fair, drop your experiences below. Your stories add to the rich tapestry of this event. And if you haven't, I hope to see you there next year. Until next time, keep exploring, keep celebrating, and keep being you. Remember, life's a journey, not a destination. Cheers!